on your videos if you want to attend my class. As without switching on, you will not be able to attend. I will make you out. To start your without warning, I'll start you guys. Okay, Shagun, Sakshi Sharma, Shagun, quickly shots. Okay. All of you have to write down these notes as it will help you to revise the whole chapter. This is chapter 3, fiber to fabric, notes for this chapter. This is the first page. Now I'm turning the page. I hope all of you must have taken. This is the next one, which is explaining about wool and the rearing of wool. Yes, you have to. That will be helpful for you only when you will revise the chapter. This is about the rearing, breeding, etc. Now I'm turning the page. This is the next one about the steps for the wool to be made through fiber. Shearing, scouring, sorting, combing, dyeing, spinning. All right. Again, I'm going to turn the page. If you are able to make the notes by yourself, then it's too good. This is the next page. Turning the page. It's okay, Palak. You will get the copy in 2 days. Or you can do it in the pin pages till then. Don't keep your work pending. As I used to tell you, do that in the pin pages. Okay? This is the next one, which the page which is explaining from cocoon to silk. What are the steps from cocoon to silk? Boiling, reeling, throwing, dyeing. Again, I'm going to turn the page. Okay, these are the notes only. Okay, for just 5-6 small pages, right? And so comfortably I have written. Okay, if you will write it continuously, it will take only 3 pages for your copy. Okay. All right. So let's start with the question answers now. I think the middle part we have done. The MCQs which are being provided in the middle part that we have done. Yes, this is the last page, Vanshika. Vanshika is having any, Harshvardhan Tiwari is having doubt. So let me go to Harshvardhan. Yes, Harshvardhan, what doubt you are having?
मैम मुझे फर्स्ट और सेकंड चैप्टर के भी नोट्स चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Beta, everything you will get from the school now. We have provided everything in the school. Okay? You may go over there, you will get everything. They will provide you everything.
मैम कौन से ग्रुप पे आएगा?
But I don't know how they'll be able to provide, but we have all the teachers have provided all the material to school. It's not possible for me to daily provide you the notes of first chapters and second chapter. Okay, so you may get it from the school here. All right. So let's start. Sorry. or you may get it from any of your friend, beta. Okay. Yes. Oral questions. We are starting with the oral questions. Okay. You guys just have to raise your hand, and only one will unmute, whose name I will call. Okay. You just have to raise your hand for the first question provided on page number 39. Everybody open page number 39. Yes, first question, oral question. Why are woolen clothes worn in winters? Why the woolen clothes are worn in winters? Those who want to give the answer? Please raise your hands. Okay, Sakshi, I will show again. Don't worry. All right, Harshvardhan Tiwari Palak. Harshit Gupta, I want to hear from you. Harshit Gupta, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, because they give warmth to us in winter.
Because they give warmth to us in the winter seasons, right? They save us. You mean to say they save us from the cold. Okay. So, why it is like that? Because the air gets trapped in the spaces between the wool fiber, right? And you know, air is a bad conductor. But an oral question you may write in the book only, in short. Okay, but the questions which you have to do in the copy are only the short questions. 1, short questions 2, and long questions along with thoughts. Okay, short answer type 1, short answer type 2, and long answer questions. And these questions, oral question and MCQs, this book exercise you may do in your book only with the pencil. All right. So
section B, C, D, E, F. And repeat the answer number 1.
Sorry.
Ma'am, what's B?
Horse also you have to do in the copy. Okay. So first oral question I think must be clear with everyone. Then why are woolen clothes worn in winter? Because air gets trapped in the spaces between the wool fiber. Since air is a bad conductor of heat, right? It doesn't allow the heat to escape.
No, ma'am.
All right, and keeps our body warm during winters. Okay. Firstly, we will explain. We will discuss it verbally, and if you are able to write in your own words, then it is too good. Otherwise, I'll provide you the this also. Okay. All right. Yes. Next, who want to give the answer for the next? What is a cocoon? What is a cocoon? Please raise your hand for that.
Ma'am, me.
Who want to tell? Palak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Palak, you may tell.
Ma'am, me. Ma'am, can I tell?
Just raise your hands. Palak is telling for this one.
Silky covering by silkworm for the protection is called cocoon.
Yes, okay. Silky covering which is spun by silkworm for its protection, that is known as cocoon, right? And it is made by silkworm to protect its development as pupa. When it gets converted to pupa, it just want to make itself safe. That's why it spun this cocoon around itself. Okay. Next answer, who want to give? What is meant by sericulture? Just raise your hands.
Can I?
Don't say can I. May I? Don't say this, beta. Just raise your hand. Okay, I want to hear from Pujal Nanwani.
The rearing of silk from obtaining silk is called sericulture.
Yes, rearing of silkworms for
Obtaining silk.
Obtaining silk.
Silk. Next, everybody switch on your videos. Quickly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Saksham Singh is removed as he was not switching on his video. Urvashi Sahu, I'm removing you.
Excuse me,
Saksham
ma'am.
Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
Rakshit, removing you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, wait, beta. Just give me 1 second. And again, Pari, switch on your video, otherwise I'll put you in waiting room.
Okay.
All right, so we were discussing about the question answers. Okay, what next? What is the purpose of throwing in silk industry?
Excuse me,
Can I tell?
Komal wants to tell. Yes, Komal, unmute yourself and give the answer, Komal.
The
Excuse me,
purpose for throwing silk in the silk
Yes,
industry
Komal.
is the purpose for throwing silk in the silk industry
Let us speak
is
a little bit louder. You are not audible.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, let her tell. She is telling.
You tell.
the purpose for throwing silk in the silk industry is to make the silk strong and organize it in a wrap, in a loom or tram for a vest.
Yes. So in short, can you write that throwing prevent the silk from splitting into individual fiber? Have you guys observed this thing? When you put
Yes,
thread
ma'am.
in the needle, right? When you put thread in the needle, sometimes you are not able to do it. Whether you are having your perfect eyesight, then you are not able to do it. Sometimes because of the thread has been separated into different fibers, है ना? होता है ना कि जो एक सिंगल यार्न होता है उससे कई सारे फाइबर्स निकल आते हैं, right, from the end. That's why we are not able to put it in the needle, right? So throwing prevent the silk from splitting into individual fibers. Okay.
Excuse
Next, science quiz is there. Okay. Let me share the book with you guys. After that, I will share these with you again. Okay. I'm going to share the book PDF as the questions are in the book PDF only. Let me know whether it is visible to you guys or not. Okay. It is. Let me the question answers. No problem. Okay. The next one we are having is name two fibers obtained from who want to give the. Let me start for Chavi. Lost her connection. I want to hear from Chitra and give the answer, dear. Yes, Chitra. The name fibers obtained from animals, two from plants.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak louder.
Ma'am, wool and silk are found from animals and from plants, cotton and jute.
Okay, very good. Okay, so animal fibers are wool and silk, plant fibers, cotton, jute. Okay, next question. Name any 4 breeds of sheep found in India. Any 4 breeds. Okay, I want to hear from Shagun this time. Shagun, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, plants, fibers, cotton, jute.
Name the process. Next question. Name any 4 breed sheep found in India. Yes, Chabi, Lohi, Marwari, Nali, and Patanwadi. You are correct. Chabi has answered. Name the process here from sheep. Yes, it is known as shear beta. Okay. Next, name and gives quality. Let me go to Himanshu. Okay, I got so many answers in this chat box. That is key. Yes, you guys are correct. That is key. Okay. Next, take the correct options. First is, which one of the following is not a natural fiber? And the options are cotton, rayon, silk, wool. Yes. All of you are saying rayon. Okay. You guys are correct. It is rayon. Next, which of the following is not the part of sericulture? सेरिकल्चर का पार्ट नहीं है. Here I'm getting different answers for this. Why? Shearing. Yes. Those who are saying shearing, they are correct. Hari Garg is correct. Yes, but okay. Next question. Yes. The third is Lohi is the breed of. You are correct. She is correct. You are correct. Fourth, the process of obtaining silk fiber from cocoon is called. Okay, I'm getting the answer in the chat box, and everybody is saying reeling. Yes, all of you are correct. It's reeling. Okay. Next, the odd ones and your choice. Here I'm listening because reasons also you have to provide. Okay. So just raise your hand. And give me the reason also. Somebody is saying dealing is the one. So providing me answer, I want the reason from them. Okay, let me go to Varsha and Vishali. Tell me that it's the odd one. Yes, Varsha, Vishali, unmute yourself. Switch on your video. Switch on your video. Yes. Now give me the answer. Why you think dealing is the odd one? Why do you think this?
Ma'am, because combing, sorting, and shearing is done on sheep, and reeling and done on cocoon.
Okay, other are the processes of obtaining wool, and whereas dealing is used to obtain silk. Am I
Silk.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you guys are correct, Varsha, Vishali. All right. The next question I want to hear from silk moth, pupa, caterpillar, and tadpole. Okay, 4 are there. Silk moth, pupa, caterpillar, and tadpole. All right. Everybody saying it's tadpole. Why tadpole? I want to hear from Sujan and Mani. So Sujan, please unmute yourself. Yes, now tell me, Sujal, why do you think tadpole is the odd one?
Ma'am, because these are in process of silk moth, and tadpole is process in frog.
It's not the process, it's the stages of the life cycle, beta. Okay? This word you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
use. So others
Ma'am,
are the
tadpole
stages.
frog का होता है.
Exactly. Tadpole is the baby of frog. And all others are the stages in the life cycle of
Yes, ma'am.
silkworm.
Silk moth.
Right? And tadpole is a baby frog. That's why tadpole is the odd one. Next, sheep, goat, horse, and camel. Which is the odd one? Okay. Krish Alwani is saying that it is horse. Krish, let me know, why do you think the horse is the odd one? Krish, please unmute yourself. Let me know. Yes, Krish.
Ma'am, because he is not giving milk.
Not giving?
Milk.
You can say milk also, and you can say wool also. Right, Krish?
Yes, ma'am.
All others gives wool or fur, whereas horse does not give us wool or fur. Am I
Yes,
correct?
ma'am. Wool. Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये सर्कल द ऑड वंस हमें कॉपी में लिखने हैं क्या रीजन के साथ?
No. You just have to do it in the book only, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? With the pencil. All right? Yes, next. Fill in the blanks. The silky covering is spun. You may give the answer in the chat box, everyone. The silky covering is spun by the silkworm for its production is known as. Yes, everybody is saying cocoon. You guys are correct. It's known as cocoon. Write down cocoon. Next, the wool is removed by the process of. Yes, you guys are correct. It is shearing only. So write down shearing for the next one. Yes, next. Yaks are generally found in dash region. Yes, they are found in mountain hilly region. Hilly region or mountain region. Okay, write down mountain in the third one. Dash and dash fibers are obtained from animals. Yes. Numbers is also correct. So many have provided me the answers. I'm having 99 plus messages in my chat box. So many are giving the answers. That's really good. Okay, next come to the true false. D exercise. Silk is obtained from cocoons of silkworm. Okay, all of you are saying it's true. All right, it's true. Next, second, first is true. Second, the process of washing the fleece of sheep to remove dust, dirt, sweat, and grease is called shearing. All right, everybody is saying it's false. All right, so I want to hear from Devesh. What is the correct statement? What is the correct statement? I want to hear from Devesh Motwani. Yes, Devesh.
Ma'am, may
Devesh,
I?
unmute yourself.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, you may. Chitra, you may give the answer.
Ma'am, I will give.
Ma'am, may I?
Varsha.
Ma'am, the process of washing the flanks of sheep to remove dust, dirt, sweat, and grease is called shorting.
मैं बता रही हूँ।
Sorting?
I'm shorting.
No.
S-H-O-R-T-I-N.
No.
Sorting. SORTING.
Ma'am, scoring.
Yes, it is known as
Yes, ma'am.
scouting.
Scouring.
Yes, it
Yes,
is known
ma'am.
as scouting.
Scouring.
Yes. Okay. All right. Next question.
True false repeat कर दो.
First is true, second is false. Now third we are going to start. You may give the answer in the chat box. The rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Yes, it's true. Everybody is saying it's true. It's true. The damage of waste cones are used to produce raw silk. Damage or waste cones are used to produce raw silk. Everybody think it's false. So I want to hear from Palak Mulchani. What is the correct statement? Yourself.
Ma'am, Himanshu उसके
Yes, tell me what the correct is.
मैम फिर इनर ब्लैंक से कोड बता दीजिए.
Wool and silk. Wool and silk.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn your page. Come to the section B. Yes. You may answer. Yes. Correct. Okay. Now next. The female silk moth lays eggs which
Ma'am, I am present.
Excuse
Okay, Manjutani, I'm up. The female silk moth lays eggs which under suitable conditions of temperature and humidity hatch into. Give the answer in the chat box, everyone.
Larva.
Yes.
Larva.
Larva.
Yes. Right? Okay. Next one. Raw silk is twisted to produce dash silk. Some scouring, cutting, humming, dyeing, spinning, and exactly correct sequence.